iMaterial Light Icon Pack is a visually appealing Android application designed to transform the appearance of a user's device through a collection of elegantly designed icons. This app caters to individuals seeking to personalize their smartphones or tablets, providing a minimalist aesthetic inspired by light, clean, and modern design principles. The icon pack typically features thousands of icons that replace standard app icons with stylish alternatives, enabling users to create a cohesive and attractive look across their home screens. iMaterial Light Icon Pack is compatible with various popular launchers, making it easy for users to apply these unique designs to their devices. In addition to its extensive library of icons, the app may include features such as customizable wallpapers and regular updates to continually offer fresh designs. Overall, iMaterial Light Icon Pack serves as an excellent tool for enhancing the visual experience on Android devices, appealing to users who appreciate simplicity and elegance in their interface design.